Welcome to Saran's Home Cooking. I'm gonna prepare simple food, very traditional food, rasam. There'll never be a day without rasam in our home. So I like to share my experience how we make rasam in our home. Let's see. These all ingredients we need for rasam: tomato, green chili, tamarind, dry red chili, garlic, turmeric powder, cumin seed, peppercorn, curry leaves, mustard and urad dal, coriander leaves, and asafoetida. In a bowl, you take a warm water. The reason I take a warm water, the tomato will become soft very fast. This is a very small tomato. So I've taken a 3 tomato. It's approximately 100 gram of tomatoes. Then I take a tamarind. This is like a very small size of lime. We add them also in the water. We leave it for a 15-20 minutes so it will become loosen up, easy to mix. Now we're gonna make a spice mix for rasam. You don't have to buy ready-made. It's so simple to make. I'm gonna use a pestle mortar to grind the spices, or if you have a small jar in a mixie, you can use a mixie to blend the spice. No problem. Either way works perfect. Take a 4 good size of peeled garlic, tablespoon of cumin seed, tablespoon of peppercorn, 3-4 curry leaves, 1 green chili cut into small pieces, spoon of rock salt, half a teaspoon of turmeric powder. Now we're gonna grind them. So you get this texture like that. Then you can stop it. That's perfect. Now we're gonna mix this tomatoes and the tamarind. We squeeze the tomato in the water. Once the mix is diluted, the one we crushed, we add all the masala into that one. Don't waste anything, add everything. Once you add it, you take coriander, just break it with your hand, just add them in the stem, leaves, everything together. Now you add a very little quantity of hing, give a mix. Always you check the seasoning. Take a pan, add a tablespoon of oil, make it hot. You're gonna take a 2 garlic, just back off the knife, you crush them. In the oil become hot, you add a mustard seed and urad dal. Always make sure the mustard seeds are cracking. When you hear the sound, add curry leaves, crushed garlic. Take just 1 red chili, you break them in half and you add them in a pan. Once you get the nice flavor of the chili and garlic, now you add the mix from the rasam. Keep the fire very minimum, so very simmering point. You keep the pan and make sure you stay next to the rasam pot. I don't want to boil the rasam, just need to come to the boiling point. This stage you turn the fire off. See, it's not boiling, but it's come to the boiling point. The foam naturally is coming up. Rasam is almost ready. The final touch, you just need a half a teaspoon of sugar, very little. Sugar is a very nice condiment. This is, I learned something from my grandma. My apata always add a pinch of sugar in the end of making rasam. That will balance the flavor of tomato and tamarind. Sometimes you get slight bitterness. This will balance and it makes more nice. The rasam come out so nice. The flavor is so amazing. It's very good for our health. It helps for your digestion and it's good for a cold and cough. In South India, we have this rasam every day. So that's why it's pushed me to make the rasam today. I hope you enjoyed watching this video. Thank you.